Hi guys, welcome to another video. I had some problems with my mic, so that's why I'm making this voice over. I'm showing you at this moment I'm going to pour on these three canvases. So I'm making a triptych. I'm going to use the colors white, red, black and silver. These canvases are from the Xenos, so I bought them very cheap. The paints I'm going to use are from the Action, so they're also very cheap. The only one that's more expensive is the silvery one. That's from Winsor and Newton, sorry. And I'm also going to use a shimmery powder, which I have mixed with some glue and water. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but let's wait and see. I will be laying down my base with this white paint and blow that over with my hairdryer. So as you can see, my base is ready. I'm going to pick out a little bit of fluff in a sec, and then I'm going to start pouring with my colors. As I said earlier, I'm going to use black, red and silver, and also a shimmery powder. I'm going to pour from these paper cups, which I have squeezed together to get a small opening for pouring my paint. I don't want too much color on the canvas because I want it to be as minimalistic as possible. So now that I have laid all my colors down, I'm going to pour over a little bit more white. It's very runny, my white. It's a little bit much, but hey, we'll work with it. So now I'm going to torch all the bubbles out. As I'm torching the paint, I do not see a lot of cells popping up, so here I'm a little bit worried how this painting will turn out. So now I'm blowing the paint over with my hairdryer. So I'm liking this painting already. I'm going to stop with my hairdryer and start mouth blowing some pieces out as I'm pointing towards the painting. I do like the cells, the lines, the colors, and how they merge together. Uh, Overall, becoming a nice painting. So I will show you the end result in a moment. So I do not like this part of the painting, so I'm going to touch up a little bit with some white, red and black paints. So I'm going to show you the end results. So sorry for the reflection, you guys, but this is it. I like it. I would have loved the red to be a little bit darker, but yeah, well, it is what it is. I do like the cells, the combination of colors, of course. You can see the shimmery powder that I used, only of course not on camera, but in real life you see it quite good. Also the silver, which is not very good to see on film. I will show you the dry results in a moment. So here you have the dry end result. I really like this triptych. The colors I used I will be putting in the description box. Thank you very much for watching, you guys, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.